Right, hi, welcome back. Just going to get the other strut top off now. Yeah. I reckon I might need to give a battery in a minute, a bit, because how much is left on there? Oh, 1 bar.
Sometimes one bar can have changes, depends what you do.
Isn't it?
So you got 3 in a line there, look.
Yeah.
This side, you didn't.
Weird, isn't it? So, 2 there, whereas on that one I only had 1.
Can't throw nothing there.
Definitely not. There's the ones.
I'll tell you it's a tricky because you're rushing it a bit.
It is.
Yeah, but what's rushing getting off now?
Because I want it off, but I know that the wind's got to go in a minute.
I mean, just that little teeny bit.
Amazing, isn't it? How much strength it gives it. There's got to be another one here somewhere. Next thing to get, paint strip on.
That's not true. Like I see.
You say not for?
No, a bit more.
More rots. Is that actually filming? It's still, yeah.
Tell you what, it's not bad on this side. Until you get very low in it.
Oh. Weld that up.
Say that down, not really.
It's not, is it? Not when you think bare metal. Again, look, another one. Just shows having your car dipped in primer ain't gonna cover everywhere.
Yeah, put it through his air pockets in there and put what's under.
Look, it's like that primer's like it's wet still.
No, turn that off now.
Yeah. Go in the set. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Ruster. As you've seen in the last episode, we removed both suspension strut tops. As you can see, they are heavily corroded. Especially that one. See all the corrosion. There's quite a bit of rot on it. What the plan is today, well this evening, is I'm going to carry on getting these spot welds drilled out because I want to get this piece taken off and also separated from here so I can actually get repairing it. So I'm going to get set up on the tripod now and get it all clean.
a lot left there, my boy.
Yeah. I bet that rot's loads under there. I bet the rot is loads under there. See, what I'm trying to do, keep as much of the car as I can. Gone literally just past the rot, both sides. But what I've got to put in, just that top. I do have this top that was cut off an old car. And the area I need is good solid metal that I'll be able to put in. Anyway, I'm going to stop that there for now and I can come back. Right, how do I come back? It's actually off now. Drill those spot rods out. It's off. We'll just clean all these lumps off. That's what it leaves when you drill a spot rod out. Submerge this in a rust eater. You wait and see how gleaming this will be when it comes out. So, she'll get there. Right, I'm going to stop back there. That's probably long enough for a video. Don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe. And please share. Try and make my channel grow a bit better. See you for the next one.